Okay, we still have time, so I am going to show you how to download and install Synopsys IC Compiler and the IC Compiler 2. Basically, they are the same software. You need to go to TSI website to download ICC. The file name is ICC _ 2024.09-SP2 or ICC2. Then you need to extract these two files to OPT EDA directory. So you can see we follow the same SOP to download and install the software. So first TRXVA ICC _ OPT EDA. Okay, this is the first command you run to install ICC. Then later you install ICC2. It will take some time to finish that. Then later I will show you how to configure environment and the run tester. If there are any problem, we want to finish troubleshooting part. Then ICC and the ICC2 is finished. Okay, please take a look at TSI website. There are two different download location for ICC and ICC2. If you go to ICC software acquire tab, you can see that the newest version is 2024.09-SP2. And if you go to ICC2, I think that is the same version. 2024. Okay, these two are the same version, but ICC2 support advanced technology beyond 16 nanometer. Okay, so we can install these two software. Basically, that is the same method. You can type TRXVA ICC, then ICC2 to OPT EDA directory. Please extract these two directory, and you need to configure the environment separately, not in the same time. Okay, once we finish extraction of ICC and the ICC2, we can go to OPT EDA to VI /RC EDA. Then we need to set up ICC and the ICC2 environment. The executable name are not the same, so you can install these two simultaneously. So you can add these two and add the ICC bin, ICC2 bin. Okay, this is the first setting you need to change it to your setting file, and you need to set IC compiler to home variable and IC main directory. You need to set up these two. So please add these settings at the end of your /RC EDA. Then we can run test. If you run ICC, the executable name is ICC _ shared -64-bit -GUI. Please use normal user. If you want to run ICC, the command is this. And if you want to run ICC2, the command is ICC2 share. Okay, so let me demonstrate this for you. Now I type source OPT EDA /RC EDA, and I type ICC share -64-bit -GUI. Oh, okay. New error. Okay, you have encountered new error here, right? So let's try to solve this later. So we have troubleshooting to do. Okay, that's fine. That's not very difficult to solve. Okay, please follow my step to this error, and I will show you how to solve this problem later.